class. Today's class will be dwelling on set theory and using Venn diagrams to solve real-life problems. Let's examine the past question on the board. That in a certain class, 22 students take one or more of chemistry, economics and government. 12 take economics, 8 take government, and 7 take chemistry. Nobody take economics and chemistry, and 4 students take economics and government. We're asked to A, Roman figure 1, using set notation and letters indicated above. Write down the two statements in the last sentence. 2. Draw a Venn diagram to illustrate the information. How many students take both chemistry and government? And Roman figure 2, government only. So for us to solve this problem, we're asked to interpret using set notation and letters indicated above. Write down the two statements in the last sentence. The two statements in the last sentence is nobody takes economics and chemistry. Let's take the first one, A, Roman figure 1. Nobody takes economics and chemistry means number of economics and chemistry means economics intersection chemistry. Anytime you see and, it means intersection. Anytime you see or, it means union. So nobody means it is a null set. That means it's a null set. That means an empty set. Or you say like this, empty set. So that is for 1. What about 4 students take economics and government? Number of economics and government equals to 4. So that's the solution for the last two sentences in the question. We are told to draw a Venn diagram to illustrate the information. Let's draw a Venn diagram. In the question we were given 22 students take one or more of chemistry. That is the universal set is 22. And we are told that economics and 12 take economics. So let's draw the Venn diagram as Roman figure 2. Let's say this is economics. Economics is, this is economics. But don't forget, in a Venn diagram, there are 3 circles where the number of students that take all the 3 subjects will be in the middle. But we are told that one is empty, economics and chemistry. Nobody takes economics and chemistry. That means, but we are told that 4 students take economics and government. So we can make economics and government to have figures. So similarly, this is government. 4 students take economics and government. But we are told that nobody takes economics and chemistry. Economics and chemistry is is 0. But we are told that to find how many students take both chemistry and government. That means chemistry and government must have a value. Let's label it this way. So economics and chemistry must have a value. So let's go back to the question again to see how far we have come. Let's call this one chemistry. But we are told that economics and chemistry has no anything in common. That's why I'm not drawing a circle here. But we are told that number of economics and government is 4. So we put 4 here. So let's go back to the question. 12 take economics, 12 take economics. If the whole of economics is 12, and we are giving the fraction of it to be 4, the remaining side will be 8. 12 minus 4 is 8. Similarly, we are told that 8 take government. Number of government is what? 8. So we cannot just say 8 minus 4 and we put it here because there is a figure here. So what we do now is that we will say first let the total number of students that take government and chemistry, let it be X. If they are X, And we know that the total number that takes government is 8. The total number that takes government here is 8. We know that government is 4, and we said this place is 4 plus x will give us 8. The total of this one is 8. The total of this circle is 8. And we have 4 and s in the circle. The remaining part will be 8 minus 4 minus x. So 8 minus 4 is 4, and 4 minus x. So this place is 4 minus x. We are told again that the chemistry side is 7 take chemistry, and the only part of this place is x. This will be 7 minus x. Now that we have known the information given in the Venn diagram, we have drawn the Venn diagram. That's Roman figure 2. How many students take both chemistry and government? So we have both chemistry and government. We have said it, let it be x. So we can add up all these circles and equate it to be 22. That is the total number of students in the class. So we go 8 plus 4 plus 4 minus x plus 7 minus x. The addition of everything must give me 22, the total number of students in the class. So we have 8 plus 4, 12. 12 plus 4, that's 16. 16 plus 7, that's 23. And we have minus cancel plus minus x plus x is 0. We are left with minus x equals to 22. When we take x to this side, we have 23. When we bring 22 here, it becomes 22 equals to x. So our x is equals to 1. X equals to 1. So the number of students that take chemistry and government as illustrated in the question is 1. How many students take government only? I think you should be able to solve this by yourself. Let's see in the comment section. Bye for now. Bye.